I was talking to one of my clients recently about um, data sovereignty as part of their AI strategy. And I kept saying, I'm really surprised this isn't coming up. They're a global company, like, and they said we had to solve that for our product data back, years ago, and we just built on top of that. And that's so I think like the point is this isn't all brand new. You can build on top of it. I do want to make 2 points though. I think
Mhm.
from a responsible AI standpoint, there's additional things you need to be thinking about that you may not have had to worry about in the past. So you need to expand those. But the big challenge that I see with with clients is how do you turn those policies into code so that we can embed them in the active metadata so that they're not just policies, but they're actually part of the code. So whether it's looking at
Operation.
the data as it's coming in, write it, build it as part of your workbook. When you call Unity Catalog or when you're running your BigID scans, it should be part of the code, not just a policy.
Yeah, I think the concept of human readable versus machine readable is starting to accelerate a lot more, right? I mean, the concept's been around for a long time, but to your exact point, how do you translate a policy and make it machine readable? Especially with the advent of agentic AI. If we're going to give business problems to solve an agentic AI and just let the agent go and figure out how to do that, then it has to understand the guardrails. It has to be machine readable. It has to be potentially, obviously, with human in the loop in some of these cases. But I love that machine readable piece.